The distributor cap, I've never seen one like this either. Wow, that's real high performance. This thing's hopped up. Do have ignition points. Those are very corroded, as to be expected. And a Holley carburetor, a 4-barrel, top of a Edelbrock Torquer, single plane intake. It looks like the oil pressure gauge. And that's yeah, it's definitely locked up solid. Pretty rusty. That's not a good sign for this engine. Non-power brakes, and we got this linkage down here on the steering column. I wonder if this used to be an automatic. Motorcraft battery that looks very vintage, the 80s maybe. Got black oil up to level, some weird looking stuff in it. Yeah, I guess before even budging this, we'll pull the plugs, shoot them. It's got the super stock high temp wires. Oh, that's not a good sign. Just trying to get some of this cleared before we pop the plugs out. But if those rodents nest right on top of the carburetor and all that urine goes down, that never helps the situation. If there's any chance of saving this Holley, I'm gonna have to pull it off and soak the whole thing too. Oh, rusty cylinders. I've never seen a rusty plug tip without rusty cylinders. The cylinders 1, 2, 3 on bank 1 all had some rust, worst up front, and then the back nothing. A set of Autolite 24 resistor type plugs. And on the driver's side, cylinders 7 and 8 show a little rust. This is a good opportunity to try out my new bore scope. Picked up one of these on Amazon. And well, this one's made by Depth Tech, but there's a lot of different brands. I'll drop a link to down below if you want to check out the prices and such. But this one's cool because it's a dual lens, and you can rock this back and forth to get some mechanical action on there. So if you want to drop it in the cylinder and then take a look up at the cylinder sidewall or up at the valves, you know, can't do that with the old ones. Here we go. Oh, cylinder is full of cobwebs. This is a crosshatch pattern now. What is, oh, that's corrosion down on there, real bad piston corrosion. I don't know what's going on with that down there. Let's try blowing them out. Yeah, that's just real bad pitting and corrosion. Beautiful. What a shame. And cylinder number 2, looking about the same. Yeah, what's nice is getting in tight spaces with this too. You can kind of rock it back and forth to wiggle by certain things. And number 3, looking actually much better. And here's a glance at number 4. The piston's pretty much at the top, so can't get a good look. Number 5, we're looking pretty good, nice crosshatch. Number 6, same deal. Number 7, piston toward the top, and kind of can sneak it by a little bit if you rotate the dial. Yep, all the way up at the top there. And then number 8 has some cobwebs along with some nasty looking rust stuff. As far as this unit goes, yeah, this is definitely something you need in your arsenal. Having that articulating head is absolutely priceless compared to the just standard straightforward ones, or even if you have the dual camera. I mean, being able to do that is going to allow you to get in a much tighter place. So yeah, check them out on Amazon. I'll say that Depth Tech works well, but maybe just buy whichever one's on sale is what I would suggest. Now I'm hitting up each cylinder with a little shot of PB Blast, and let's see if we get lucky, if it budges. Now, if it budges, we're good. Nope. Oh, tight. Oh, we got 15/16 on the crank. Oh, loosened it.